Welcome to our series on math properties. In this session, we'll be talking about the distributive property of multiplication. This is the second video on the distributive property of multiplication. This time, we're going to look at what happens when we have variables. In the first example, we have 3 plus y inside the parentheses. So this is how we would distribute. So the 9 in front of the parentheses means that we're going to multiply 9 by each component of the parentheses. So we're going to do 9 times 3, and then we're going to do 9 times y. 9 times 3 is going to give us 27, and 9 times y is going to give us 9y. So our final answer will be 9y plus 27. In the second example, we have x minus 4 inside the parentheses. We're going to multiply 4 by each component of the parentheses. So we're going to have 4 times x, and we're going to have 4 times minus 4. So 4 times x will give us 4x, and 4 times negative 4 will equal negative 16. So our final answer will be 4x minus 16. All right, let's look at the third example. So we're going to do the same. We're going to multiply 9 by each component of the parentheses. So we have 9 times 3, 9 times 4a, and 9 times negative 5s. 9 times 3 is equal to 27. 9 times 4a is going to equal 36a. And finally, 9 times negative 5s is going to equal negative 45s. So when we put all of that together, we have 36a minus 45s plus 27. Okay, let's look at 3 more examples. Here we're going to multiply 9 times x and then 9 times y. We're going to have 9 times x is going to equal 9x, and 9 times y is going to equal 9y. And our answer will be 9x plus 9y. In the second example, we're going to multiply 7 times 3x and then 7 times negative 4. 7 times 3x gives us 21x. 7 times negative 4 will equal negative 28. And our final answer will be 21x minus 28. All right, let's look at the final one. 9 times 3, 9 times negative 4v, and 9 times 5p. 9 times 3 equals 27. 9 times negative 4v equals negative 36v. And 9 times 5p equals 45p. Okay, and we have negative 36v plus 45p plus 27. And that concludes the second session of the distributive property of multiplication. You can find more math videos in English and Haitian Creole at hctutorial.com, and you can leave any comments and suggestions for future videos at schillerambrose27@gmail.com. Thank you.